Hello everyone, I am going to deliver to you the results of the fermentation workshop that we had the other day so that you can see how the culture is developed over time. We've got three things here. We've got kimchi, kefir, and kombucha, and we're going to see how it all turned out. This kimchi is very pungent, very potent. It has lots of garlic in it, and kochagaru pepper, and ginger. So I'm wearing 2 pairs of gloves, because the last time we fermented this stuff, my hands smelled like garlic for 4 days straight. They still kind of do. Garlic is optional. You know, so is fish paste. You don't need it, but, you know, it's traditional. Alright. It smells very sweet. There's, oh, yeah, it smells very sweet and juicy. There's a lot of bubbling. Over the last, there's a rim of bubbles around the top, so it's breathing, it's alive, it's living. Let's see how the kombucha is doing. There's little strands at the top that are starting to clump together, but it hasn't formed a film at the surface yet. It's only been, let's see, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's only been 4 days. So the kombucha SCOBY has not filmed yet, but there's some clumping at the surface. So give it a few more days and it'll probably start to develop the film, the mother, which will eventually become the mother. Let's see, how did our kefir turn out? It smells kind of like cheese, kind of like milk. Let's see what its texture is after 4 days. Whoa, that's exciting. It actually came out thicker than it originally was. Yeah, I'll go get the original. See, the original culture is in this one, and yeah, it's super, super thin and viscous, while this has almost turned into yogurt. And it smells sweeter too. So that is the bonus of making your own kefir, is that you can make it as thick and sweet as you want. Okay, so after the top there is separated, I will take it out. Oh, I shouldn't have added that too. I'm going to savor the thickest part of it and separate it to eventually form granules. And at this point, I might just want to let it sit out for a few more days in here, and just see if I can't get that a little thicker, or maybe get another layer of the really thick kefir, and then concentrate it and to get the grain from it. Alright, and now for the moment that we've all been waiting for, to see how the kimchi is doing. Oh, that's right, I put a bunch of rocks in here and crystals to weigh the vegetables down. Kimchi literally means submerged vegetables in Korean. So technically sauerkraut and kimchi are the same thing, just with a slightly different recipe. Let's see. Ain't that pretty? Oh, I think I should have taken it out yesterday. It smells almost slightly vinegary. At this point, this is just like a health food, and you might want to cook it. If you don't, but if you cook it, then you don't get the probiotic benefits out of it. And but at this point, I left it in for probably a day too long, so it tastes slightly vinegary, or it's going to taste slightly vinegary. But it'll still be really good, and especially if it's mixed with something or cooked into something else. But you know what? I'll just go ahead and try it on its own right now and let you know how it is. Wow, so much ginger and garlic. Next time I would go a little easy on the ginger and garlic, and maybe a little more heavy on the gochujang pepper. But just for funsies, I'm also going to try this really thick, it's not to the thickness I'd like, but it's pretty thick. Let's check that. Oh yeah, it's thick. It's actually thicker than the original starter culture, so I'm going to try it. Ooh, that's so good. Oh yeah, that is super creamy. It tastes kind of like cheese, kind of like yogurt. Super thick, super creamy, super smooth. I feel good. My head feels good. My stomach feels good. Yeah, so the kefir has, I think it's called Streptococcus bacillus it's a lactose bacteria that you want in your gut. And then the kimchi has the cytocobalamin, which produces vitamin B12. So kimchi is really good for veganism because it gives you vitamin B12. Yeah, and kefir does not have to be made from milk. So it can be made from coconut milk or hazelnut, or then there's water kefir too. I'm just, right now what I'm focused on doing is producing the grains so that I can make kefir as fast and efficient as possible. Okay. Well, thanks to everybody who came to the workshop, and yeah, I don't normally wear like what do you call these types of shirts? Because I got kind of like, I don't have very hairy arms, so I don't wear this type of shirt very often. But, I'm just letting my armpits air out for a bit, So I hope you have a great day, yeah.